It's Richard Southern here at Queen's Park, where the Ford government announced new rules for teachers today. There's 2 of them, including a math test.
Tabled at the legislature today is what the government is calling the Safe and Supportive Classroom Act. It will require all new teachers to take a math knowledge test. As well, any teacher convicted of sexual abuse will never be able to teach again. When it comes to the test, the education minister said it's designed to lift sagging arithmetic scores among students.
It's a fact that our students are struggling to meet provincial math standards. For the past 5 years, there has been an overall decline in Education Quality and Accountability Office math scores.
When it comes to math, why are you so sure that the math scores are low? Because the teachers don't have the knowledge.
Well, I can tell you that we've heard anecdotally and we've seen the evidence that teachers are sometimes hesitant to teach some math.
So who's required to take the exam? Elementary or secondary teachers, or both?
Well, actually, we're going to be taking a look at both, and again, we're just starting off our process, and we'll be pleased to talk to you.
What about a test for English? What about a test for science?
Today, we're talking about safety in our classrooms, as well as getting mathematics right.
The NDP education critic says there are bigger educational priorities the government should be looking at.
We have concerns about capital repairs, roofs falling in, boilers that don't work. We have concerns about funding for education, the lack of guidance counselors, mental health supports in our classrooms. And this is what the government is coming forward with in their first piece of education legislation and their first major announcement. That's concerning to me.
These are very well-educated people that are graduating Teachers College, right? I mean, the fact that you're requiring them to take a math course, do you think that's taking aim at the teachers?
I think that this government is trying to put little Band-Aids over bigger issues around, our education system generally.
Only 49% of grade 6 students met math standards last year. That's a record low. But Liberal MPP Michael Cotu also wonders if it's the fault of the teachers.
To go right after teachers as the main issue, I think she's missed the mark.
As far as the sex ed curriculum is concerned, the education minister would only say that the government is continuing to consult parents and students on that. At Queen's Park, Richard Southern, City News.